Hello viewer, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. So in today's lesson, we are going to learn how to solve a linear equation using elimination method. So the question on the board here say 2x plus y equal to 5, 3x minus y equal to 5. So we are going to use the system of elimination method to solve this equation. Solution. So we can name this question as s2s plus y equal to 5 as equation 1. Then 3s minus y equal to 5, equation 2. So if you look at this question very well, in linear equation, we don't subtract nor divide, we only multiply and add. So we can add this equation so that we can eliminate y and solve for s first. So we can add equation 1 and 2 together. Equation 1 and 2, which will give you 2s plus 3s, you have 5s, plus y plus minus y, it will give you 0 because positive will cancel negative. It will give us 0 because we don't have anything in this place. This place will give us 0. So equal to 5 plus 5, we have 10. So from here now, the coefficient of s here is 5. So we can divide both sides by this coefficient of s so that we can get our s, which will give us 5s equal to 10. So divided by the coefficient of s, which is 5, so that this 5 can go with this 5. My s now will be equal to 10 divided by 5, we have 2. This is the value of s. And to get my y, I can plot this value of s into this equation, either equation 1 or 2 to get my y. So let's say equation 2. So I should plot this value of s, which is 2 here, to my equation 2 so that I can get my y. So equation 2, which is 3s minus y equal to 5. This is my equation 2. So I can say 3, the value of s now, and my s equal to 2. So I can say 3 into 2 minus y equal to 5. So 3 multiplied by 2, I'll have 6 minus y equal to 5. So we're going to collect the like thing now. We have minus y here, it's a variable, so we'll write that one first. It will be equal to 5. And this 6 is positive 6. It's going to cross this equality sign. It will change to negative. So I will have a negative 6 here. So minus y equal to 5 minus 6, I will have negative 1. So we are looking for the value of y, positive y, not negative. To get y now, we are going to divide both sides by still the coefficient of y, and the coefficient of y here is negative. So we are going to divide it by negative. So negative y equal to negative 1. Divide both sides by negative here, so that negative can cancel negative. I'll have y here, which is equal to this negative will cancel this negative. This place will be ordinary 1. So this is my value of y. Therefore, my s equal to 2 and my y equal to 1. So this is the answer. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.